Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go and be showing you how to get Etsy shipping labels for products and for your store. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So first things first, we're going to go and be opening up the official Etsy website right here, etsy.com, if you've not already. After opening it up, you'll be greeted by the main page right here, which is the home page from where we can get started in the upper right corner. But the first thing we want to do is log into our account. So if you do not already have an account, what you can do is go ahead and sign up for one, and if you have an account, just log in normally to your Etsy account. So after logging in, you'll be greeted by the home page right here. This is going to be the main page for where we can go and manage all the products that we can access. We have the option to manage our store and so on, and now we can get started purchasing shipping labels for our store to use. So where do you manage your store options? You manage it from the shop manager right here in the upper right corner. So let's go and take a look at what we have to do. Right here in the official Etsy help center, we have the steps of how you purchase shipping labels on Etsy that you want to use for shipping carriers. So basically here are the steps how you buy them. What you want to do is open up the shop manager as I have just showed you. You want to click the shop manager option right here. As you can see, currently I have still not set up my store fully, but once you set up your store, you'll be able to manage your store from the shop manager once you open it up, and then you're going to be ahead and be able to open up the orders section. There you want to find the order you want to buy a shipping label for, and go ahead and get under the shipping label section to click edit. Then you can go and select where you want to ship to, the shipping information, check it all out, and select what kind of shipping label that you want to buy. Once you're done following the steps right here, you can just select review to take a look at how it looks and purchase once you're satisfied with the shipping labels and you want to apply them for your shipping. And basically that's it. All of that is going to be available right here from the shop manager that I have just showed you how to open it up. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.